Hello, hello, everybody. Hello. How are you? That nice halo above my head. Ah, the light. Ooh, ta-da. What is up, my friends? That is right. I'm drinking San Pellegrino. Momenti. It is a raspberry and lemon water drink. So, let's get to the news. 40% of the U.S. opening has been halted. Yeah, I can't do that voice, can I? I'm all dressed up, guys. You see my little polo man there? I had to go to a funeral today. My best friend's mom passed away this past Saturday. Excuse me. So I had to go there. And did a little work before, then went to pick him up, went to the cemetery, and then it was just a short service. She wasn't religious or anything. They just Catholic cemetery, so you have to have a little thing. But she got cremated, and I had to help with the casket, which was fun. Not a big deal. I've done that before. Anyway, guys, that's why I'm dressed up and I'm here, looking spiffy. 40% of the U.S. reopening has been halted. 40%. Probably other states will stop and close again, I would imagine. Ohio, for some reason, is not doing it again, and I don't know why. It's not politics, dude. It's fucking lives, and I've said that before. Just shut the fucking shit down. McDonald's is rolling back dining in. They opened them up, and they are closing the dining in feature for now. Again, so it's drive-through or whatever only. So just be aware of that. If you want to go eat at McDonald's, you cannot. Hi, kitty cat. Mass layoffs are happening again, guys. Re-layoffs, if you want to say it. People getting laid off again because it's everything's closing up again, bars and so forth. Apple stores are closing today and more on Wednesday. They are closing 30% of their stores. I don't know if this one reopened here in Cincinnati, but it'd probably be close too. Hi, what's up? Say hi to kitty cat, guys. Can you see kitty cat? Say hi, kitty. Whoop, whoop, there he is. Can you see him? Oh, yeah. Anyway, I wish I had a better camera that I could shoot with. Houston's hospitals are at 102% capacity, guys. Excuse me. I had a cough. Why? Can you see kitty cat? Say hi, kitty. Hi. That's Stormy, guys. Say hi. Stormy's about 13 years old. Still a good little kitty, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yeah. No, you can't get up here. No. Nope. There's too much stuff up here. Likes to jump up here sometimes. So anyway, oh god, he came up. He's not very heavy. He's light, but see right there. Hi. Yeah, meow. Citigroup has postponed bringing people back into the office. They were supposed to bring people back in, and they have postponed that. So Citibank, if you guys, Citigroup, whatever, if you work for them, going back to the office right now is not going to happen. Guys, Saturday there's an eclipse that'll be here for us. East Coast, Midwest, Saturday about midnight. Look up, and it's going to be starting about that time. U.S. they just bought the global supply of remdesivir, one of the treatments that therapeutics they call it that they give people and so forth. And guess what, guys? We got a new pandemic, a flu pandemic possibly. It's a new version of the H1N1 swine flu, and it's coming from China again. What they need to stop doing this shit. I don't know why they have such problems, and here we do not. I understand that We don't eat snake or bat. Some people eat rattlesnake out in the Southwest and South, but I've had snake, um, but not like that. Those are like kept alive, and they're nasty. They got shit. They're fucking snakes piss and shit together. I don't know if you know that. So whenever you pick one up, especially garter snakes or whatever, they'll fucking shit on you. It's a defense mechanism more than anything. Excuse me. So anyway, that's about it, guys. I gotta get back to work here and finish my day. I am off tomorrow, which I had to take a day off because my company, Keller Mortgage, gives you 3 floating holidays, and you could use them for days like this. Like if July 4th is on a weekday, then we're off. But not if it's on a weekend. So I had to take Friday off and use a vacation day, and then you get 3 more after July 4th. So you can use them for Memorial Day. That's always a holiday, but you can use it for like Veterans Day or one of those holidays that we don't get off. Mortgage industry, we don't get many of those off because we're open. What else? It is going to be Friday the 3rd tomorrow. Today's the 2nd. Happy July 4th to you guys, or July and July 4th to you guys. I had to move my mouse so it wouldn't time out. Hope everyone, stays in, watches from afar. We're supposed to go to her dad's 4th of July picnic, which is on now. I don't know if I'm going because we canceled my dad's 80th birthday. My mom and dad were just, no, not going to do it. Because my sister, Ding Dong, and her Ding Dong husband went out with my nephew and niece. They're twins, Bailey and Sammy. And went to the casino, went to the bars, out to eat. And I'm like, what the fuck? So my mom was like, no, we're not doing it. And I don't blame her. And I don't want to go to this thing. Yet my wife's like, oh yeah, we're gonna go. We'll just sit, back and stay back and sit outside or whatever. And I'm like, I don't want to go. I'm gonna take 2 cars because I might leave early. I'm not comfortable with that, especially since I've had pneumonia 2 years ago. I'm diabetic. I used to smoke. Well, it's been 8 or 9 years since I quit. Cigarettes, that is. What else? That's it, guys. That's all I got. So anyway, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Have a great Thursday. Have an even better Friday. We'll see if I'll be on. I don't know. Maybe later on tonight, depending on what I find out there. So, all this stuff you can Google. I don't have time to put shit on there. I have the setup like a lot of guys do to put all this shit in and the time because I do have a full-time job and I'm kind of shucking it right now and not doing it. So anyway, I need to get off. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. I will see you and what's up? See you guys. Peace out. Hope Kathy's still out there. I haven't heard much from you. I haven't been looking at my emails lately because it's just too much shit in there. And I need to weed shit out because I got too much stuff coming in. Say hi, kitty cat. Say hi, kitty. Meow. No, he's not going to meow this time. So, anyway, drop me a line, Kath. Anybody. My email. I don't know if it's on there or not. It's KRISGENTRY51@gmail.com. You can contact me anytime, guys. You can message me on here. You can leave a message. Anything you want to talk about, I'm willing to talk about any topic, okay? I have my tentacles in everything. I watch everything. I kind of keep on top of everything. Like I said, I knew this was coming back in January. Actually, probably at the end of December there. Um, so I've been on this a long time, and it wasn't as bad because now, President Ding Dong, um, said no, don't wear masks, it's okay. And now everybody's saying wear a mask, and then he's like now jumping on the ball and everything. It's guys, you know what? We need a responsible leader. Okay, someone that actually gives a shit. I'm sorry. Um, I voted for her. Okay, I admit it because I thought anybody was better than Trump that would do a good job, in my opinion. Um, with Biden running, I still think I'm casting Bernie. A Biden ticket would be great, or Biden Bernie ticket would be great, but I know they want to get a woman in there, which, okay, that's fine, and minority woman. Now what would be a really good thing would be Biden and Obama, Michelle Obama. That would be good, and I think there would be a lot done at that point. Um, that would be an awesome ticket right there. So, um, tweet Biden, tweet it out, guys, tweet it out if you want him to have her, tweet it out. I mean, I don't care who you vote for. I don't hold ill will towards people. The only thing I don't like is the people that voted for Trump that still want to believe in him and everything else. I've missed everything that he said. He's a liar, guys. He's a liar. Okay, I used to lie. I don't lie anymore. I mean, as a kid, you lie, okay? And then I lied about smoking weed to my wife and getting all that kind of stuff. Now she knows. She doesn't give a shit anymore, okay? It's becoming legal. It's fine, okay? I think it's better than drinking myself. I don't go beating up anybody or whatever. Not saying I did when I drank. I got angry, especially when I drank liquor. Um, yeah, that's pretty bad for me. That's why I don't drink that much liquor, but I do. Like just a sip at a time. Beer I still drink, wine, a whole bottle, not a problem. But anyway, what was I saying? Biden. So yeah, I don't harbor ill will to anyone. I love everyone. I'm not a racist. Okay, I am someone that respects other people, respects their opinion. Um, I got some pretty big opinions out there myself, but I do respect everybody's opinion. But don't be an asshole on Facebook and keep spouting shit and get off the Obama kick. It's been how many years now? Get off the Obama kick, guys. He's not in office anymore. He did what he did. President Trump did what he did. Destroying the EPA, destroying other things, dismantling this, dismantling that. It's like, guys, what is the purpose? What has that done? What it's done is screw up the environment. Um, there's places that you could dump. You don't have to say anything now under his administration. It's just crazy the shit that they've made lax in stuff that was tightened up, and even before Obama didn't do any of this shit. This has been stuff that's been through time. Each president inherits the other's work. What you do with that work to continue the prosperity of the country is what you need to do. Don't sit there and bash Obamacare. Don't sit there and do this and that. There are a lot of people out there that don't have insurance, that didn't have insurance, that now do, that we're not paying for. Okay? We used to pay for a lot of insurance for people as taxpayers. Now that has gone down. I mean, yes, universal this, universal that. Yeah, socialism. But it depends on what you're doing. we don't need to give out, free money or anything like that. That does not need to be given out. If you're in need, okay. If you're not, let the other person go. Okay. I, I don't know. I don't know. I'm rambling. I need to get back to work. I was saying goodbye before, but now. 15-minute ramble. So anyway, I don't see how these guys do 5 hours an hour, unless you've got people calling in or whatever. Like Marv. Shout out to Marv. Shout out to French Files. Shout out to CJ Blaze. Shout out to, oh gosh, what's his name? Pennsylvania dude. Regis Bible. Home Remedies. Yeah, I know. I can't think of it, kitty. You know it. You just said it, but I can't understand. You have a low voice. Shout out to everybody in the fam. And if shit gets worse, there's always a safe haven here. I've got my yard fenced in. I have a watchtower in the back. I think I've shown you guys that in the video. I am prepared. Bang wise. Food wise as well. I mean, as best I can with what I can get here and there. Which you guys should do to get things here and there. Just buy whatever you can when you can. That way you have something to back up. You already have the food that you have in your house. Eat that first. And then when you need to go, get more of that at the store or whatever, you could do that. But you've also got that in reserve that you can have as long as you've got, clean water to make it and so forth. You can also get the MREs, meals ready to eat. The completes, those meals, I don't know if I think there's some microwavable though. I don't think they're, you got to find the ones that have the self-heating and so forth. That doesn't need water because you may not have a microwave. Now, you can dump that into a pot and then cook it over a stove, But just be prepared, guys, because I think more shit's coming down the pike here. This new flu, this new resurgence of this, I think we're going to be a society wearing masks and so forth for a few years, guys. A few years, I believe. And mark my words, I would say, what are we at? They said 128,000, which didn't, that number's low, guys. They cut that down, and I told you that. It was 143, and then all of a sudden it went down to 120 or something like that, and it's like, okay, what happened? So I'm thinking, now that this new resurgence of the virus and so forth, that by the end of August, beginning of September, we're going to be looking 250,000 people dead, if not more, because we're not reporting the numbers, and you've seen the infections go up. Capacity in all these ICUs and hospitals are going to be way up. Like I said, Houston has 102% capacity, guys, on all their hospitals. I have friends that live there. I have friends that live all over the place. And Phoenix, Arizona, where that's exploding. In Houston and Texas, so that's exploding. Here, it's exploding. In this county as well, my county, Hamilton, Ohio. The mayor just made a mandate. He's going to sign an ordinance that everyone is wearing a mask downtown, outside, and inside. So, all right, I'm getting off here, guys. I'm going to wait until it's 20 minutes, and then I'm going to get off here. So I'm going to ramble a little bit more. It's hot today. I'm not going to do that. I cut the grass last night, so I'm good there. 30 seconds. And I'm just going to chill later on, drink a beer or two, and not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. I got probably yard work I'm doing. And then this picnic on Saturday. And Sunday, I don't know what I'm doing. And Monday, back to work again. Yay! And then I'm on vacation the end of July. We're going to Wisconsin, so we'll see how that goes. All right, guys. I've got 5, 4, 3, 2. Love you guys, and bye.